Can Giovanni Smith please come to the front office?
Hey Gio, why did they call you to the front office?
I don't know. I'll tell you when I get back, though.
Okay, see you in class.
Yeah.
Mr. Smith, thank you for coming. Please take a seat.
Okay. So, what's this about?
There seems to be a problem with you and some of the other students.
What's the problem?
It's you. I think you're misunderstanding the seriousness of this situation, Mr. Smith. You've created something far bigger than any of us. I want you to listen to something and pay attention to what it's saying.
All right.
Come on, Gio. Come on, Gio. Answer the phone, Gio. Come on. Come on, Gio. Answer your phone. What the heck? What took you so long?
Well, I'm here now. Let's just go.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh my God.
Gio? Gio? Come on, man, wake up. Wake up, Gio.
Divingswell, Zahn and Duranda are coming. We gotta go.
Well, we have to take him with us.
There's no time to do that. We gotta go.
Fine.
I...
You ready to move the body?
Yep.
What are you doing?
I can explain?
Look, you shouldn't be here. You need to leave this instant.
Yeah, I'll leave right now. I'll get on that right now.
Why did you do that?
There's no time. We have to get the bodies out of here.
Hello, Divingsville. Please, come join us.
What's going on?
One moment.
No, tell me now. What's going on?
It will all be made clear in one moment.